Nepal's deposed King Gyanendra Shah has released a video message expressing hope that the country will move toward a new system aligned with the people's will. Issuing a 13-minute video statement with an opening address to him as monarch of the Himalayan nation, Shah stated in his New Year wishes that he hopes the country will move toward a new system.
नेपाली जनतामा देश र भविष्यलाई लिएर जुन खालको जागरुकता पैदा भएको छ त्यसलाई हामीले सकारात्मक रूपमा लिएका छौं। वास्तवमा नेपाली जनतामा रहेको देशभक्तिपूर्ण भावना विश्वमै अनुकरणीय र अनुसरणीय छ। देशलाई विद्यमान जटिलताबाट मुक्त गराई शान्त, स्थिर र समृद्ध मुलुक बनाउने जागरुकता जुन पैदा भएको छ, नयाँ वर्ष 2082 मा नेपाली जनताको चाहना अनुसारको परिणाम हासिल हुने विश्वास थपिएको छ।
The politically charged statement from the former monarch comes in wake of rising demand for monarchy in the Himalayan nation and a week before the right-wing pro-monarchist party Rashtriya Prajatantra Party hit the streets. The monarch of the Himalayan nation follows the lineage of Shah dynasty, was revered as an incarnation of Hindu god Vishnu. With the abolishment monarchy, it got limited to a very small group, which now again is re-emerging. In the released video, the deposed monarch highlighted that each new year begins with excitement and it often ends in disappointment due to current political instability. Reiterating his earlier statement released on Democracy Day, Shah warned that the nation remains trapped in corruption and unrest. Shah also stressed the monarchy's historical role in safeguarding nationalism and democracy, presenting the constitutional monarchy as a tradition rooted in public sentiment.
समाजका विभिन्न दल, वर्ग र जन समुदायले आफ्नो धारणा, आस्था तथा अभिव्यक्ति राख्न पाउनु प्रजातन्त्रको सुन्दर विशेषता हो। तर त्यस्तो धारणा र मान्यता प्रस्तुत गर्दा सबैले संयम अपनाउनु पर्दछ। केही दिन अघि जनप्रदर्शनमा जुन प्रकारको हिंसा, आगजनी, तोडफोड भयो, त्यसबाट जस प्रकारको मानवीय एवं भौतिक क्षति भयो, त्यो सुन्दा हामीलाई अत्यन्तै दुःख लाग्यो। नागरिक स्वतन्त्रता भन्दा ठूलो तन्त्र वा वाद हुँदैन। वास्तविक प्रजातन्त्र त्यहाँ हुन्छ जहाँ राम्रो, नराम्रो, जनगुनासो वा गुणगान सुन्ने परम्परा र संस्कार हुन्छ।
The 77-year-old deposed monarch had come to power for the second time in 2001 following the royal massacre where the entire family of his brother Birendra Bir Bikram Shah was assassinated. 2 years after abolishing nearly 2.5 centuries-old monarchy system, the Himalayan nation became a republic and a secular state on May 28, 2008. With less than 2 decades into the new practice of governance, the Himalayan nation is now divided into two factions of pro and anti-monarchs.